Welcome back to 75Dually Garage. Thanks for tuning in today. Well, we just got back from C10's in the park yesterday. Today's Monday. Drove back Sunday. Great show, man. We had a fantastic time. I took some footage, which you'll see here in just a second, and I hope you enjoy it. It was a great trip for the truck. I got some new things to show you. And also, I'll have some future episodes coming up, continuing to look at the truck and some of the things that you guys have been asking for. So, stay tuned. We did a number of things getting ready for the C10's in the Park show. The first thing is we got the sleeper cab back on. As you can see, there's a number of items in the back, and we got some seats and a jack and some tools. Really helps from keeping the inside of the truck cluttered up. But as well, we finally got the turbo wing installed. Now, this is a wing you guys probably haven't seen. I've been kind of keeping it secret. We have painted it 1970 Chevy ochre, and I have done some dry weave carbon fiber vinyl wrap on the outside. It looks really nice, cleans it up. Then we also did brackets for this that were very similar to what we did with our desk project. So if you've watched the channel at all, I have done this similar type construction with the desk project that I have. So we use, again, 1/4-inch rod, TIG wire to do the internal weave, and then we have mounting holes here that will give us different angles on the wing as needed. So it's a pretty neat little bracketry setup. Pretty unique, and it really sets off this portion of the truck. If you've seen the truck previously, you've seen the rack system that we have, and we reinstalled it for the show. There'll be other times that I'll take it off, and it just kind of depends on the mood and the flavor of what we want to show the truck as. But that was it for what we got ready for C10's in the park in terms of external things. Let's look at what we did internally. Okay, this is by no means ready for prime time, but I have installed AC on the truck. Now, none of this is mounted permanently. A lot of this is in its mock-up stage, but I have new vents, and I've moved the AC control system to the center console area. I have some new outside vents, as you can see, and they're not finished. As you can see, the outside vents need some lower sheet metal welded in. And these also need a lot of refinement as well. But I'll do a future episode on the AC system in this truck. And it's pretty unique, but at the same time also using a lot of stock components. So let's get right on to that show coverage for C10's in the park. Guys, thanks for hanging out with us today at 75Dually Garage. I hope you enjoyed the show coverage that we took from C10's in the park. There was a lot of cool trucks. Man, I just could not count how many there were. But in the future, I'll be doing a new episode on the Cummins swap. I'm going to be covering transmissions, specifically the transmission that I did in this truck, but also talking about some of the other transmissions that you can do on your project as well. I'll be trying to cover connections that we did on this, linkages, and a lot of other items, hopefully that'll be helping you in your Cummins swap in the future. Again, thanks for watching 75Dually Garage, and stay tuned.